Nash County Public Schools system has fallen victim to a data breach. More details on that in the video, but first, a huge thanks to Stonefly for sponsoring this video. Now, the Nash County Public School system has been hit by a data breach that is huge, and the fallout is just beginning. This is a story that's sending shockwaves through our community, and we need to unpack it all for you. According to the report from Restoration NewsMedia, the breach occurred over a whole 10-day period, starting on December 19th. An unauthorized party managed to gain access to the district's data related to PowerSchool, who is a major provider of cloud-based education software. Now, this isn't just your average data breach. The hackers infiltrated one of PowerSchool's community-focused customer portals. They got their hands on sensitive information about students, teachers, and the whole school district. The school district was notified about the breach on January 8th. They immediately sprang into action and engaged their cybersecurity response protocols by bringing in a team of experts. In the weeks since, PowerSchool has been working tirelessly to contain the breach and destroy the stolen data. The district is working closely with the state and PowerSchool to make sure that all the necessary notification and communication steps are taken. Affected families and staff will be notified in the coming days. But here's the really scary part. According to the statement from Nash County Public Schools, neither the district nor the State Department of Public Instruction could have done anything to prevent this. The breach occurred in a part of PowerSchool's system that they had no control over. This really highlights the threat of a third-party breach and the level of vulnerability that comes with it. One almost feel helpless with these kind of breaches. But don't you worry. We have partnered with Stonefly to offer daily security review subscribers a special promo on Stonefly backup and disaster recovery solutions. Get a 128 terabytes, Veeam, Rubric, Commvault, Immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $9,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. This is a developing story, and we'll be sure to keep you updated as more information comes to light. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check back for more cybersecurity news and analysis. And as always, thanks for watching.